Today's student is different from a student in 2020. But what is the difference? And what does a student need to be successful later in life? Today's learning takes place in the classroom, with classmates and a teacher. But in the future, learning will also take place outside the classroom and outside school hours. Learning will be organized in different topics and different levels, so there will be different groups. But the learning also takes place individually. What does a student use to learn in 2020? Today, a student uses books, pens and paper. In 2020, a student might use computers, tablets and smartphones, or maybe even completely new technology. This technology creates more possibilities, which influence the learning process. At the moment, educational publishers mostly decide what the student learns and in what order. But in 2020, adaptive systems will respond to the student's level and speed. Those systems are also able to enrich and enhance the knowledge of a student. And how does a student know how well he is doing? Today, a student receives grades and report cards periodically. But with learning analytics, a student will receive real-time feedback on his progress. He is challenged to perform even better. Or he receives support on topics that he doesn't get. And what is the role of the teacher in 2020? Education will always be a people's job, with a key role for teachers, as a coach in the learning process and the social development of students. Due to advanced resources, a teacher can pay more attention to a student, and the student's learning goal is himself. To prepare for society in 2030, and for a profession that probably doesn't even exist yet. A lot of things are uncertain, but we do know one thing. Our students of 2020 have started learning today.